Hello and welcome. I am Tahir and today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily reset your WordPress password from PHPMyAdmin. Sometimes it happens with you that you cannot receive emails from WordPress. So if you forget your password and you are trying to reset your password but you cannot receive email from WordPress, you can use this method. So first of all, you will have to log into your CPanel control panel and then click on PHPMyAdmin. You will be redirected to a new page, and if you have multiple websites on your same server, you will have to find the correct database name for your website. In my case, you can see this is the database name for my website, and then select this table. It's called users. Now check this box and click edit to edit this table. From this table, you can also view your username. In my case, it's Tahir, and you can also view your email address. Now, here you can see user underscore pass option. So if you want to reset your password, just type your password here, and from this drop down, you will have to select MD5. So choose MD5 and type your new password. With this method, you can also reset your email address or you can change your email address. Then we also have this option to reset our username or display name. Then click go and your password will be reset and you will be able to log into your WordPress website. So this is a simple and easy way to reset your password using PHPMyAdmin. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing this channel for more WordPress and blogging related videos.